The disciplined Agile mindset is based on a combination of Agile and Lean thinking. In this course, we'll see how the 7 principles of Lean manufacturing can be applied to optimize the entire value stream. These principles are: first one, eliminate waste. Lean thinking advocates regard any activity that does not directly add value to the finished product is waste. The 3 biggest sources of waste in our work are the addition of unrequired features, project churn, and crossing organizational boundaries, particularly between stakeholders and development teams. To reduce waste, it is critical that teams be allowed to self-organize and operate in a manner that reflects the work they're trying to accomplish. In product development work, we spend considerable time discovering what is of value. Doing this is not waste. We've seen many folks have endless debates on what waste is because of this. We propose that a critical waste to eliminate is the waste of time due to delays in workflow. We build unrequired features because we build too large batches and have delays in feedback as to whether they are needed, or we're not writing our acceptance tests, which delays understanding what we need. Second, build quality in. Our process should not allow defects to occur in the first place, but when this isn't possible, we should work in such a way that we do a bit of work, validate it, fix any issues that we find, and then iterate. Inspecting after the fact and queuing up defects to be fixed at some time in the future isn't as effective. Agile practices that build quality into our process include test-driven development, and non-solo development practices are described later in this course. Third, create knowledge. Planning is useful, but learning is essential. We want to promote strategies, such as working iteratively, that help teams discover what stakeholders really want and act on that knowledge. It's also important for team members to regularly reflect on what they're doing and then act to improve their approach through experimentation. Fourth, defer commitment. It's not necessary to start solution development by defining a complete specification, and in fact that appears to be a questionable strategy at best. We can support the business effectively through flexible architectures that are change-tolerant and by scheduling irreversible decisions for when we have more information and our decisions will be better, the last possible moment. Frequently, deferring commitment until the last responsible moment requires the ability to closely couple end-to-end business scenarios to capabilities developed in multiple applications by multiple teams. In fact, a strategy of deferring commitments to projects is a way of keeping our options open. Software offers some additional mechanisms for deferring commitment. Through the use of emergent design, automated testing, and patterns thinking, essential decisions can often be deferred with virtually no cost. In many ways, Agile software development is based on the concept that incremental delivery takes little extra implementation time while enabling developers to save mountains of effort that would otherwise be built on creating features that were not useful. Fifth, deliver quickly. It is possible to deliver high-quality solutions quickly. By limiting the work of a team to within its capacity, we can establish a reliable and repeatable flow of work. An effective organization doesn't demand teams do more than they are capable of, but instead asks them to self-organize and determine what outcomes they can accomplish. Constraining teams to delivering potentially shippable solutions on a regular basis motivates them to stay focused on continuously adding value. Sixth, respect people. Sustainable advantage is gained from engaged, thinking people. The implication is that we need a lean approach to governance that focuses on motivating and enabling teams, not on controlling them. Seventh, optimize the whole. If we want to be effective at a solution, we must look at the bigger picture. We need to understand the high-level business processes that a value stream supports, processes that often cross multiple systems and multiple teams. We need to manage programs of interrelated efforts, so we can deliver a complete product to our stakeholders. Measurements should address how well we're delivering business value, and the team should be focused on delivering valuable outcomes to its stakeholders.